of the play is black comedy. It's been originally written by Peter Shaffer, adapted by the students of the Dramatic Society at SRCC. The total duration of the play is around 60 minutes. Before we start the play, may I request you all to switch your mobile phones off. Flash photography is strictly prohibited. I realized in the last play I made the same announcement. People responded, but I could also hear a couple of sounds while the play was in progress. So what I'll do is I'll give a demo how to switch your mobiles off. You see, there's a button on the top.
It looks fabulous, darling. I wish we could always have it like this.
And what if Jay comes back?
Oh, we've spoken about this. And Jay is definitely coming back tomorrow.
I know. But what if he comes back tonight, Lena? He will go mad when he finds out we've stolen his stuff.
Don't exaggerate, darling. We haven't stolen anything. We've just borrowed it. And it's barely anything. Just 3 chairs, the table, the sofa,
The lamp, the bulb, the cushions covers, the vase of flowers, the radio, the telephone, the dustbin, and those stools.
Yeah, that's all.
And those buddhas. They are more valuable than anything. He's got them all the way from Morocco or something.
Relax, darling. Mr. Tomar will love them.
Darling, Mr. Tomar is coming here to buy my art and not my sofa.
I know that.
And it's not even my sofa.
Adi, remember Daddy's coming too?
As if I could forget. Why you had to invite your Khadus daddy tonight, I don't know.
He's not good. He's just a little,
Uptight.
Exactly. You know me so well. And once start earning for me, na, Adi, he'll definitely approve our marriage.
I can't stand these podgy types.
Adi,
Anyway, he's bound to hate me.
but you haven't even met him
How
yet.
does that make any difference? Just get me a drink, please.
What would you like?
Gin and tonic. You look nice in blue. It goes with your hair.
Adi,
Yes.
my hair's not blue.
No, Nena, that's not what I meant.
Here, take a drink.
Thank you.
Tell me something.
Anything.
Have there been many before me?
Thousands.
Seriously.
Seriously, ma'am.
What about the photograph?
That was nothing.
Who was she?
Just a friend.
Did you date her?
Yes.
For how long?
A few months.
When?
2 years ago.
What was she like?
She was a painter.
And?
Very honest.
And?
Very clever.
And?
just about as nice as your Khadus daddy. Stop asking me all these questions. She was Samira. She was just a good friend of mine.
Then why do you still have her photograph?
It was just there.
Just there.
Yes.
Did you just say just there, Adi? What do you mean by just there? How can it be just there? How can anything be just there for the sake of being just there? One day you'll dump me and I'll also be just there. You're just a second.
It was a photograph.
Yeah. Just calm down.
People will be here in a minute, है ना? Well, why don't you go put on the radio? It's just there. Oh God, let this evening go all right. Let Mr. Tomar come to appreciate my sculpture and my song. Let Lena's Khadus daddy like me. And let my neighbor Jay never find out that we've stolen his precious furniture behind his back. And no, God, please bring back the light.
Adi,
Yes, Nana.
what's the problem?
Darling, there's no light. Can't you see?
But Adi, I can't see anything. Now there's no light.
And maybe that's the problem.
By the way, your radio's not working.
Because there's no light.
Okay, Adi, I comprehend. Go switch on a generator.
There is no generator.
What?
Yes.
Do you have any candles?
No.
Any matches?
No.
Adi, do you have anything?
No, Nana, I don't.
What are we going to do?
Just go up to the bedroom. I think there are some matches in the drawer where you found the photograph. Oh, I'm coming. Hello? I'm fine. What about you? Nana? Darling? Samira, what doing here? But I thought you were in New York. Acha, where are you speaking from? The airport? No. You can't come here tonight. I'm terribly busy and I just can't get out of it. It's business.
Adi, there's nothing about your smelling
Oh,
socks.
why don't you try the other drawers then? Look, Samir, I told you not tonight. No, you cannot.
Adi, I can't find anything.
I'll talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Who was that?
No, just a friend. Did you find anything?
Just this
And what am I going to do with the room? I'm going to go to...
Mr. Mehra! Thank God I found you, Mr. Mehra! I am absolutely terrified of the dark. Do you mind if I stay until the lights come back? Not at all.
That is not Mr. Mehra. Mr. Mehra is here. Darling, this is Miss Jacobs, my neighbor. Miss Jacobs, this is my fiancée, Miss Sethi.
Hello.
I'm going to go to the market to buy some candles. Why
Mr.
don't...
Juneja might have candles.
I know.
He stays opposite.
Huh.
Always leaves his key under the mat.
Oh, that's a very good idea. Darling, I'm going to go check Mr. Juneja's mat.
The doormat.
I'm going to check Mr. Juneja's doormat. Why don't you call the electrician and take care of Miss Jacobs?
I can take care of myself.
Have fun.
Hello, Miss Jacobs. Do you know who's coming here tonight? No. Do you know Rajesh Towar, the famous art collector? No. Well, he's coming to see Adi's work. Isn't it exciting? No. I'm just looking for the phone. हेलो भैया मैं C20 वसंत कुंज से बोल रही हूँ भैया मेरे घर पे लाइट नहीं है हाँ जी भैया मेरी कंप्लेंट लिखिए मेरी कंप्लेंट ये है कि घर पे लाइट नहीं है प्लीज किसी को भेज दीजिए भैया प्लीज किसी को जल्दी भेज दीजिए This I can send someone soon. I wouldn't be too sure. Would you like a drink? No, I don't drink. My father, being the head of the Christian Society for High Moral Order and Good Conduct, strongly disapproved of alcohol. I'm sure I can have some water at least.
Is there anybody there?
It's my daddy.
Where?
No.
Where?
Here.
बेटा ये लाइट्स का ऑफ कर रखी है और गिरते गिरते बचाऊं मैं Let me take out my lighter then.
Hello, daddy.
कैसे बेटा?
ठीक हो आप कैसे हो?
बहुत बढ़िया
Daddy, this is Miss Jacobs. No. Miss Jacobs, this is Daddy. No. Daddy, Miss Jacobs.
कौन रहने दो
I'm staying here for the moment. I'm not a big fan of the dark.
Well, nor are we. So, where's this young man of yours?
He's got up Mr. Juneja's, looking under his mat. He's gone to the flat of the doormat. Daddy's gone to the flat opposite to find some candles.
You mean he hasn't got any?
No.
I see. No organization. That's right.
Grandson. Daddy, please, it happened to any of us.
Not to any of us. Not to your father. Not to Colonel Bharat Sethi. Never.
You're super organized, na, Daddy.
That is right.
Do you like the flat, Daddy? It's furnished really well, isn't it? It's not over the top, but it's rich, just the way you like it.
It's okay. But these statues, these are beautiful. Wonderful. Did your Mehra fellow make them?
Yes, Daddy,
It's
yes.
okay. Anyway, there is no point wasting this light. We might be later, huh?
Adi, is that you? Did you find anything?
You can't find anything there. If there are candles there, I don't know where they are. Did you call the electrician?
I said they'll send someone.
Oh,
soon.
typical.
Listen.
Not a bloody candle in the house. I'll tell you what, produce daddy to me. I cannot stand him. And the last time I कुछ कह रहे थे आप मेरा साथ? Just telling Naina how much I was looking forward to you two, sir. I'm actually expecting some Khanus neighbors, neighbor monsters. Monster neighbors, I'm sure you know the sort.
I know the sort.
I'm sure you do, madam.
कोई खास दिक्कत नहीं आ सकती।
No, No, sir, not at all. Just a fuse. I mean, we have fuses all the time here. Not all the time, but some of the time, most of the time. I'm sure you know what I mean.
In the meantime,
Yes.
you don't have any matches, right?
Right.
No candles, right?
Right.
No basic efficiency, right?
That's it.
By basic efficiency, young man, I mean the simple state of being at attention in life, rather than at ease.
Well, that's certainly not at ease, sir.
And I come
Yes, sir.
on your knees. At once. Look, boy,
Yes, sir.
this is a bloody emergency. Anyone can see that. Any fool can see that.
So actually, no one can see anything. That's the emergency.
I don't like jokes. young man.
A joke is when a horse walks into a barge.
No, I don't like jokes, young man. Please do not insist on making them in my presence.
Never, sir.
Problem? Darkness. Solution? Mehra! What is in hurry? You don't have matches. You don't have any candles. What remains?
I'm not really sure,
I
sir.
count them.
Yes, sir.
Let it not yet remain.
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you so much. Your clarity of mind has
That's
saved.
the matter. Solve the matter, Mehra.
Yes, sir. That's a very good idea. I'm going to go to the market to find some matches. Nena, call the electrician and take care of your daddy.
I can take care of myself.
What happened, Colonel?
बेटा तुम्हारी चेयर
My God, it's Jay!
Jay?
What are we going to do?
I don't know, Adi. We have no samosas.
Furniture, Nena, the furniture.
Oh,
Adi, what's happening? I can't see a thing.
In here, Jay. We've had a fuse and it's dark and it's all over the house.
It's rather cozy in the dark, isn't it?
I guess it is. So you're back from your weekend then?
I certainly am. Yes, on the weekend though. It rained the whole bloody
Oh,
time.
that must be terrible. There's Colonel Sethi here, his daughter Nena Sethi, and there's Miss Jacobs, you know her.
Oh yes, hi
we
Cathy.
looked under a doormat.
Really?
We did not.
Kinky.
Why don't you have a seat?
Okay, of course, and I have to tell you all about Cancun. The weather.
Who is it?
My neighbor Jay Taneja, have a seat, have a seat.
Over there, over there.
Yes, sir.
Take those. Please. What is the matter with you?
No, sir, that was probably the wind, sir. Can't you feel it right now? It's a constant feature in this house. It's coming from the right-hand side. Sorry, you can feel it, sir. Jay, what would you like to drink?
You know, I would love a gin and lime, but I must go back home first. I must unpack.
No, do it later. Have a drink.
I must wash up anyway.
Do it later, Jay.
My, the darkness does bring out the dominance in you.
Yes, just go to the market, get some torches. You have a guest arriving any second.
It's all right, Colonel. I've got some matches.
Matches?
Matches?
Yes.
That's not a very good idea.
What was that?
Nothing. Probably the wind.
Yes, I feel it.
I'm sure.
It's all right. I've got another one. Yes, these matchboxes. What was that, Adi?
Nothing.
Do you have their body here?
No, of course not.
Are you drunk?
Don't be ridiculous, Jay.
This matchbox. Adi, you spat on me this time. What's the matter?
Matter, it's dangerous.
What?
It's dangerous. How could I forget? That's what they told me on the telephone tonight. They said don't light any flames until the lights come back on because you never know when a small fire turns into a big one, a small flame turns into a huge one, a small problem turns into a gigantic one, and the geyser blows up.
The geyser blows up.
It's rather technical. I'm not sure you'd understand.
My father blew up.
Your father blew up.
No,
to the market, get some torches,
I
please.
almost forgotten. Darling, can I just have a word with you before I leave?
Yes, darling.
Stop saying darling, will you?
It's an expression of love.
Thank you, please.
Oh, well. What are we going to do?
I don't know,
Think,
but-
think. We'll have to move all this furniture back right now.
Right now?
Yes, Naina, he will go mad if he finds out we've stolen it.
Adi,
Yes.
Adi, I have an idea. We'll tell him it was a joke.
Serve them drinks, keep things going, and I'll move all the furniture back in the dark, all right?
Okay, yes, I comprehend.
I'm sure you comprehend. I'm going to the markets now. I'll see you all in 5 minutes. See you. Have fun.
Oh, it's all right. So, how are things?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Well, maybe some drinks? Yes, let's have some drinks. Good idea. What can I get you, Mr. Juneja?
Oh, gin and lime, please.
And Daddy?
That,
Drink.
Scotch. Scotch.
And Miss Jacobs? I don't drink anything. Nimbu pani.
But how are you going to make them in the dark, Bete?
Daddy, I remember the way I put the bottle. It's actually very simple.
Okay.
Listen, I've got a match. I bet it's not that dangerous.
Oh, wonderful, Mr. Juneja. Then we can all blow up. And when Rajesh Tomar comes, he's going teeny tiny bits of us everywhere.
Rajesh Tomar? He's coming?
Yes.
Amazing! You know, I read all about him in the Delhi Times. He's known as the mystery millionaire. He's almost completely deaf.
Is he?
Yes, yes, he can't hear a single word. And he never ventures outside of his house.
So what is deaf? He's a millionaire after all. Millionaires are nice people. I meet them like every day. Yeah. Disciplined, well behaved, rich. Thomas Saab is the only reason why I'm here. Captain Ahab! And you'll be the I will
Don't be rash, Colonel.
please don't touch me, please.
I've never met a millionaire. I've always wondered if they're different from us. I mean, of course, their organs.
Their organs.
Yes. I've always imagined they must be better looking, better functioning than ours. Organs that should be donated, that should have been donated to my father. One day my father woke me up. गला खराब है.
गला खराब है, दिमाग खराब है.
What do you call it? Up? With a failed kidney? And he told me that he had a failed kidney. His kidney was failing. All in panic, my arms were failing. I went up to the railing to find him wailing. And then his life sailed away. The last line didn't rhyme. That is not something to be smiled upon.
Neither is it something to be rhymed upon. That's my opinion, madam. Without drinks का क्या हुआ?
Yes, Daddy, can you help me with this drink? I'm taking a sip. The drink is coming, Miss Jacobs.
Miss Jacobs, I will bring up to police so that I can find you.
I'm here.
कुछ बोलते रहिए आप.
I'm here.
कुछ लंबा बोलिएगा, I'm here के अलावा.
I'm right here.
There you go. Sorry. अब मत बोलिए आप कुछ.
I'm still here.
No.
Please, please. Jacob. Their father was a priest then.
He was a saint, Mr. Sethi.
Same thing, and it's Colonel Sethi.
Same thing. I'm only thankful he never lived to see the trueness and vulgarity of life today.
You are so right, Captain. Rudeness and vulgarity. The manners of some people today are beyond belief.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yes, yes, you know what happened at my shop last Friday? Well, it was 10 a.m. in the morning when I was just setting up because I'm a very punctual shop owner. That's what we do.
Hey!
What happened, Daddy?
The bloody windy book picture. क्या कहना था आप?
Well, it was 10 a.m. when I was just setting up when who should walk in at that exact moment but Mrs. Sabra. You know the one with purple highlights? The one who thinks she's God's gift to bachelors? So in she walks in the painting. She comes up all the way to me and says, Mr. Juneja, this painting is fake. Exactly, Patty. Exactly how I felt. I was furious. My eyeballs enlarged. My nostrils flared and I said, Mrs. Sabra, you are fake. Your whole life is a lie and you should go live with the dogs. And I assume that's what she did because she never came back. Chair 1, Mrs. Sabra 0.
Well done.
Very brave of you. You should join the army.
I never thought I could.
I have your drink. Are you a fan of arts, Mr. Sethi?
Second time, madam, Colonel Sethi. And me a fan of art. After all that time in the army, I cannot imagine a bloody man with a bloody paintbrush in his hand. This whole bloody art and craft business, it's so bloody feminine. So futile. I hate it.
Daddy!
Yeah, Daddy. No, no.
Don't you like that statue over there?
Yes, yes, I did.
Adi has a statue.
Yes.
Where?
There.
Where?
There.
Where?
I'd like to propose a toast.
Suddenly, out of the blue.
Daddy,
Why the way a toast to what we did?
a toast to my first toast.
Shabash. And I will raise one when you start talking sense.
I'll give you that.
Ready, Jin?
And this is me, Mubani.
Horrible! Quite horrible! This must be alcohol then.
Okay. There has been an obvious snafu with the drinks. I propose we fix this.
Yes, yes, I will come that we should exchange.
Okay, I've extended my arm in the middle of the room. Colonel, if you're walking towards me, whatever you do, do not bang into it.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Sorry, Daddy. Has everyone got their drinks?
Yes.
Let's try again. Bottoms up.
This is bloody Nibu Bani.
And this is scotch.
Horrible! Quite horrible! This must be alcohol again. Sorry.
एक एक करके देना चाहिए था ना।
Sorry, Daddy.
Hey!
Sorry.
Hey! Who is that? Who is that?
Me?
Not you. Let me get something like that. Who's that? Now, I know it was you. Who's that? You dare act smart in front of me, Mela. Yes, I know it was you.
What was, sir?
तो भी अभी जाना था. Just answer one question of mine, Mela.
What?
Are you still busy looking for your brain?
Adi?
Are you still busy looking for your brain, Mela?
Adi! Daddy is talking to you!
Of course, I know Daddy was talking to me. I was just thinking it over for a moment.
And
And
what is your answer?
my answer is I couldn't agree with you more, sir. Couldn't agree with you more.
What?
Yes, I appreciable, so Indian, so Indian, you know.
Are you insane?
No reason to be rude, honestly, I think you should write a book on
My
that.
father wrote a book.
Are you trying to be funny?
No. That was the second part. The first part was called Are You Trying to Be Serious?
Yes,
Are you trying to be funny? अगर तुम्हें लगता है मैं अपनी बेटी की शादी तुम जैसे बेवकूफ नालायक गधे के साथ करवाऊंगा, then you are very much mistaken, young man.
Daddy,
Yeah, Daddy.
Now don't think
my father used to say, to err is human, to forgive divine.
But I thought that was somebody else.
So many people copied him.
I know.
Please forgive him, Daddy.
Forgive him.
Yes.
ऐसे नालायक को कभी नहीं कर-
Remember, to err is human, to forgive divine.
Please forgive us, madam.
Well, this has been a pleasant evening of sorts, but I must make my way back home.
No, that's a terrible idea.
No, that's a terrific idea. Let it go.
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
Have another drink, Jen.
Yes, I'll have one, thank you.
Please.
Please. Please.
Come on, Jen. One more drink, please.
Please.
Oh, all right. You know, there's nothing nicer in this world than having a drink with a pretty girl.
Hey,
You haven't
Jen.
even seen me yet.
I just know it. I've often told Adi, you're the same taste in women as I have heart.
Jen.
What is the modest Adi? I saw a photograph of one of his girls from 2 years ago, and I must say she wasn't all that bad.
I suppose you mean Samira.
Did you know her?
Yes. She's not one you can easily forget.
What was she like?
Well, I suppose he can hardly remember her.
Why on earth shouldn't I?
I don't know, Jen, considering it was 2 years ago.
Yes?
Yes, Jen, 2 years.
Well, now that I think about it, I do remember her. Yes, I do.
Was she pretty?
No. She was rather ugly.
She was not
Yes,
young.
she had long, yellow, spiky teeth, and she smelled like feet.
She did not smell like feet.
Even I noticed in the photograph.
You smell it.
Yes,
Shabash.
she was so big. I bet her organs were Chinese.
I think that's the only thing she said where it actually makes sense. What the fuck is the matter with you, Jen?
With me?
Well, I'm sure it wasn't Samira.
Samira?
Samira, what do you mean by Samira?
Nothing. I was just remembering. You're talking the most awful nonsense about her. She was loyal, considerate, loving, admirable, adorable in every way.
You told me she was as nice as my Khadu's father.
बेटा मैं इधर ही बैठा हूँ तुम जानती हो
Sorry, what I said was something entirely different, utterly different, as let's say the army is from the navy. Although when you come to think about it, sir, the army isn't all that different from the navy.
Shut up.
I mean, one was blue, one was green, one works underwater, one works over water, but at the end of the day, they all work around water. Now what really is different is the air.
Shut up!
And up.
Let me tell you the difference.
Adi, what do you think?
Go up to the bedroom and wait for me there. I'll just come.
Now? This is my time.
God, there I wasn't talking to you.
What happened, Jed?
I don't know. You want the bedroom. For what purpose? I can't imagine.
Journeys end in lovers meeting. As my father always used to say.
What an extremely original father you seem to have put up. Did you also write the Bible?
Don't be silly, Daddy. He was a Christian, not a Jew.
What are you doing here?
You called me
I
here.
called you here, yes.
Why did you call me here?
I don't know. Go away.
Adi,
Yes.
tell me,
Yes.
what happened?
Nothing.
What can't you
I
do?
have moved everything except I just have to cover the sofa now.
So we can have the light?
Yes, we can have. No, we can't have the
Why
light.
are you kidding me? You took me
I'm
again?
not kidding you. Oh, I am kidding you. Sorry, Daddy, I forgot. Sorry, darling.
Mehra!
Yes, sir.
क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
Nature's fault, sir. Have another drink?
Another drink?
Yes, sir.
I haven't had one yet.
Adi?
Yes, sorry, darling.
So, is this what they mean by a blind date? What the hell is going on?
Nothing. Rajesh Tomar is coming to see my work and the lights have gone.
Oh, and that must be the reason for all this desperate clutching.
Look, I can't explain things at the moment.
Who's the girl in your living room?
Just a friend.
She sounded much more than that.
Well, if you must know, it's Naina. She's a very good friend of mine.
How good?
Just good.
And you become friends with her father too?
No, not very friendly. He just come here to meet Mr. Tomar.
What was it you wanted to tell me on the phone tonight?
Nothing.
You're lying.
Here comes the Inquisition. Look, Samira, if you ever love me, just slip away quietly with no more questions and I'll explain everything later.
I don't believe you.
Please, darling, please, please, please.
ये मेरा क्या कर रहा है ऊपर? और तोमर साहब को अभी तक आधे नहीं दिए, क्या बात हो गई है?
Daddy, millionaires are always late. Yes, that's how I imagine them. Pamper joggers and always 2 hours late.
Nobody knows what this is like.
I've missed you so badly, Aditya. I've thought about nothing else these past 6 weeks. I think I made a huge mistake walking out.
Not tonight, Samira.
But we've known each other for 4 years. We can't just throw each other away like old newspapers, right?
Well, you do have a point. I mean, you know my politics, you've heard my gossip, and you're going through my entertainment section.
How about the second edition?
Yes. No, not tonight, Samira. Naina is here. I can't do this.
I understand. You don't want me down
I
there.
don't want you down there.
How about down here? I'm kidding. No, I'm not. Let me just go get undressed and get into bed. When you've got rid of them all, I'll be waiting.
That's a terrible
Oh,
idea.
I think it's lovely. A little happy relaxation for us all.
I'm perfectly relaxed. Can't you
Adi!
see? Naina!
Either that or I come downstairs and discover your secret.
There is no secret. Naina! All right, stay. Only keep quiet. Yes, my darling.
I'm not your darling. Secondly,
Yes, sir.
are you trying to get me angry? Are you trying to test my patience, boy?
Not at all.
Hit or nothing. और मैं तुम्हें जान से मार डालूंगा.
Oh, shut up, you blackmailing bitch!
What?
How dare you talk like that? How dare you talk
I
like that?
wasn't talking to daddy like that.
Who are you talking
I was talking to myself. I said if I continue to talk like this, I will become a blackmailing bitch. You know how that happens.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's mad. He's completely mad. You might as well have him in a bloody mental asylum.
What happened in your house?
Potato, potato.
What?
I'm really not all drink further.
मेरा जी है.
My God, it's Tomar.
तोमर साहब आ गए?
हाँ जी सर, सीधा चलते रहिए. आपको ज़्यादा कुछ दिखाई नहीं देगा पर चलते रहिए. I'm right here. I'm walking.
माफ कीजिएगा थोड़ा लेट हो गया वरना 3-4 घर और जाना पड़ गया था
नहीं सर, not at all. पर 3-4 घर और?
हाँ सर आज तो फिर भी कम है वरना 10-15 सर डेली का रहता है
Busy man. Busy man.
सर छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है, लाइट चली गई है.
सच्ची बात बताऊं सर
हाँ जी सर.
वो तो दिख ही रहा है
I like jokes.
लाइट चली गई
Yes sir.
अकेले आते
Oh, he's a torch as well. What an electric personality.
This is what I mean by
Basic efficiency.
Yes, ma'am. अपने नई की बात छीन ली.
May I introduce my neighbor Jay Juneja?
Namaste, sir. I've heard so much about you.
हैं सर
Oh, he's deaf. Must be down.
He's deaf.
Namaste, sir. I've heard so much about you. Namaste, sir. I have heard so much about you.
May I introduce you to Nana Sethi?
Hello.
May I introduce you to Colonel Sethi?
Colonel Prasad, take it up.
Miss Catherine Jacobs.
Did I touch his organ?
I'm so glad you're deaf, sir.
So happy you're deaf. आइए सब बैठिए, let's all have a seat. चलो.
एक्चुअली सर मैं बता ही रहा था मेहरा को कि आप थोड़ा लेट हो जाएंगे. I mean, आजकल ट्रैफिक इतना ज्यादा है, हमारे जमाने में तो था इतना ट्रैफिक. कर रहे हैं सर आप सर? क्या कर रहे हैं? आप तो बिल्कुल डाउन टू अर्थ हो गए. Have a seat on the sofa, sir. On the bloody sofa.
वैसे आप माफ कीजिएगा वैसे आप लोग बहुत लाउड हैं
Sir, we know about your air condition.
एयर कंडीशन की प्रॉब्लम है सर पहाड़गंज में बोलो तो डिस्काउंट दिलवा दूं
Sir, air condition. हमको मालूम है कि आपको
definitely. Naina, why don't you take
I'll
our
accompany you. Let's go.
Not in jail,
You
not
sit,
in
you sit down.
Naina, why don't you take our guest to the studio and painting on the left?
Okay, can I take it back?
ओ तेरी सर क्या चीज है
Thank you.
नहीं मैडम आपकी वो पेंटिंग लगी ना पीछे सर ये तो अपना क्या कहते हैं वो रिडिकुलस ही करते हैं आपने कहाँ से खरीदा
खरीदा नहीं सर, बनाया पर ये तो मेरा स्पेयर है.
स्पेयर होगा सर पर एकदम टॉप कितने का पड़ता है
10,000.
1 lakh.
हाँ.
1,10,000.
1,10,000 rupees. पर ये मेरा स्पेयर है, आपको मेरी दूसरी पेंटिंग देखनी चाहिए अंदर.
हाँ सर वो भी देख लेंगे पर ऐसी चीजें तो मैं पहली बार ही देख रहा हूँ
अच्छा, पहली बार दूसरे घरों की क्या देखी?
दूसरे घर में क्या बताऊँ अब तो मेरा सर चाय पानी तक के लिए नहीं पूछते
भाई चाय पानी के लिए मैं पूछूंगा
जरा क्या लेंगे? चाय, पानी,
मैडम इतना पूछ ही रहे एक गिलास जूस ही दे दीजिए
जूस, जूस.
आइए आइए सब बैठिए, just have another seat.
Scooch, Kathy.
on the sofa sir
Settle down, Colonel. Stop that.
नमकीन बिस्कुटों की तो बात ही नहीं होती सर दूसरे घरों में
भाई नमकीन बिस्किट की बात लेके आओ
ला रही हूँ.
ट्रेन ही है तुम्हारे पास
नहीं वो check.
क्या बात है?
अच्छा तो कर्नल साहब
साहब
आपको भी शौक है अपना पेंटिंग शेंटिंग का
जुनून कहिए सर जुनून आर्मी ज्वाइन नहीं करता मैं शायद पेंटिंग ज्वाइन कर देता I just love this already art and crafts business
Daddy, अभी तो आप बोल रहे हो you don't like art at all.
बेटा वो तो मैं तुम्हें भी कहता हूँ I don't like you that doesn't mean I don't like you I just love this already art and crafts business especially the works of अपने Van Gogh and Picasso पिकासो पिकासो एक जैसा नाम है ना लड़कों का कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं दोनों के काम अच्छे हैं
You know, I myself am a fan of Da Vinci.
Da Vinci साहब का परसेंट भी देखा मैंने completely enlightening figure
Colonel, he's dead.
उनका बेटा होगा
For over 500 years, Colonel.
दूर कर सकते हैं ये चीजें वो फोन में होती हैं
Now that we're talking about this, so what are your views on Andy Warhol? Andy Warhol.
Andy. बड़ा अच्छा नाम लिया एंडी
The comic representation of his pop art influence in pop culture and pop. So what are your views on it?
बाथरूम तो होगा मेरा सर आपका
भाई बाथरूम मैं ले जाऊं सर को
कोई और पेंटिंग देखो please.
नहीं मैडम यही अच्छी है बहुत सुंदर है ये
So would you like it?
लाइक टोटल लव मैडम टोटल लव
और वन लाख
हाँ अगर मेरे पास होते
दिल्ली टाइम्स ने लिखा था कि आपके पास 100 करोड़ है.
दिल्ली टाइम्स से क्या सुन रहे हो सर आप मेरे खाते में तो वही भी अपने 2122
देखो सर तो ये बता
Sir, I know that it's supposed to be eccentric, but being Rajesh Tomar, isn't this a little too much?
राजेश तोमर साहब आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे बड़े भले आदमी है सर वो बस थोड़ा गाड़ी की दिक्कत है और मैं दिक्कत का
अपनी दिक्कत को मजाक बना सकते हैं देखो देखो
What joke you like to play?
बेटा तुम्हें कुछ समझ में नहीं आता ना वाकई में
नहीं सर पर सच्ची राजेश तोमर साहब आ रहे हैं
आप राजेश तोमर नहीं हो.
सर मैं शास्त्री सर प्रकाश शास्त्री इलेक्ट्रिशियन बुलाकर मिलने वाला
How dare you come in here, give us a change, when you're art and culture, when all you do is the light.
Yes! Did you come here and give us all the lecture about bloody Van Gogh and bloody Chicago?
तो हालांकि your employers are asked to manage my thing.
देखो हिंदी में बोलो
अंदर आते हो, you pretend to be a civil procedure evening is happening.
Cheer up, darling. In a few minutes, everything will be okay. Tomar will come, he'll love your work, and he'll buy our whole collection for 2 lakh rupees.
Why not, Naina?
And then, Adi, we can buy our own table chairs.
Naina,
What? I don't want to live in this slum for the next couple of years. And we will definitely buy a genuine. Adi,
Yes.
it's raining.
don't be ridiculous.
I'm all wet.
How can you be?
Adi, you Serena, I'll be the naughty one. There's water falling from the sky.
Water my kitchen first.
आप लोग शांति से नहीं बैठ सकते कहाँ पे चिल्ला के रहे क्या हो रहा है Who is throwing water on me? किसकी हिम्मत है ऐसा करने की? Who is there? Who is there? Come on, in the light.
It's my maid, Mamta Didi. My maid, Mamta Didi. She comes on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
It's Sunday.
Oh, she called up and said she'd be here by around 6.
It's 11.
So she must have seen the light on नीचे से कब ऊपर मैं क्या
It's dark, Mera. It's dark.
Very educated,
Delicious
delicious.
was step. If it's her,
I don't think we should.
you leave the thing to me, all right?
So don't disturb her. She
Mamta Didi.
doesn't like to be disturbed.
Mamata Didi.
No.
Mamata Didi.
She doesn't reply.
Ji sir, yes.
And she has replied.
She doesn't talk. She doesn't reply. Mamta Didi, आप क्या कर रही हैं?
बेडरूम साफ कर रही हूँ सर. आप क्या कर रहे हो? बेडरूम साफ कर रहे हो at this time of night? हाँ, अगर मैं साफ नहीं करूँगी तो क्या आपके डैडी करेंगे? Don't worry, daddy. I think she's joking.
So you are thinking now.
Yes.
ममता दीदी,
जी,
आपको नहीं लगता आप थोड़ी लेट हो गई हैं?
जी क्यों? मैं लेट हो गई इससे आपको क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है?
Point. मैडम, मैं सिर्फ पूछ रहा था कि आप सफाई कैसे कर रही हैं? I mean, लाइट गई हुई है और फिर भी आप सफाई कर रही हैं, मतलब कुछ अलग ही प्रतिभा होगी आप में कि आप अंधेरे में भी सफाई कर पा रही हैं, वरना मैंने तो आज तक अंधेरे में किसी की सफाई क्या हो रही है?
आप ही तो कहते हैं सफाई कैसे कर रही है, तो मैंने दिखा दिया मैं सफाई कैसे कर रही हूँ.
I never asked for a demo.
Mamta Didi, आप चले जाओ now. There's no more work.
ओह, पक्का सर.
Yes, पक्का. Oh.
लेकिन अगर मैडम वापस आ गई तो वो बहुत पर्टिकुलर है ना. ऊपर से सर आपको नहीं लगा कि आज आपके घर की हालत थोड़ी ज्यादा ही गंदी हो रही है, मतलब हर जगह इतनी धूल, मिट्टी, कचरा और मतलब मैडम को बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता जब घर में मेहमान आ जाते हैं. फिर भी सर ने पता नहीं किस टाइप के लोगों को बुला लिया. वैसे आप आ गए ठीक है, लेकिन अब सब चले जाओ, मैडम आने वाली है.
ममता दीदी, आपकी मैडम इसी कमरे में है.
ओह, समीरा मैडम इसी कमरे में है.
मेरा नहीं, नैना मैडम.
जी कौन नैना?
अरे आपकी मैडम.
नहीं, वो तो टाइम पास है. मैं समीरा मैडम की बात कर रही थी. 4 साल से रहती हैं, आपको नहीं पता. टाइम पास?
4 साल.
Yes, Lord. 4 years in this very house. Come to think of it, maybe 5. You know how these relationships are. Sometimes on, sometimes off.
I know that voice. It's Samira.
Samira?
Samira, what do you mean by Samira?
Who is Samira?
Oh, sir.
Shut up, Samira. Why can't you just shut up?
Why should I shut up? Just because you did not want to marry me, you had to settle for this. Daddy, leaving again.
बेटा, it's not funny. कभी तो अपने अंदर लगा लो, वो तुम पे पानी फेंक रही है.
Now what happened to your organization? Conspiracy? This is all one big conspiracy. You all have been conspiring against me all night, haven't you? Huh? Naina, I know why you want to marry Vidya.
Why?
It's not the art because it's no good. It's not the money because he doesn't have it. It's not the sex one. Is it?
बेटा, don't answer that.
Definitely not the good looks.
It might be my
It's
good
because
looks.
you knew that one day your father will have to come here and meet me. Mr. Mehra, you're sly. He is so sly. I know why you kept disappearing so often.
Why?
Because you wanted to leave me alone with Major Sethi.
हटते हैं, मैडम, करने दे.
Leave me down.
Daddy.
Oh, but Mr. Shanisha, you don't have to worry, John. We can share him if you want to. Don't try to experimentation.
Mr. Guff, आप समझ
Mr.
लीजिए.
Sweetie,
करना स्वीटी, करना सेठी, मैडम.
you have been hitting on me all night, Daddy.
बेटा, don't believe her. journey ancient.
Catty, yes, yes. Let's go back home.
Jay, maybe you should take
Yes, yes, I'm on my way.
Let's take Mr. Sethi home.
It's all right, it's all home. Not now, Adi. Later, later.
Thank you, Samira. Thank you very much.
Don't you dare blame your mess on me.
It was perfectly all right until you came back.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. When you left, it was the happiest day of my life.
So was mine.
I went out dancing that very night.
So did I.
I sighed with relief.
So did I.
Right?
Great.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Super.
Super. You were so happy. Why did you come back? Maybe because I care about him. No, you don't. Yes, I do. No, you don't. Yes, I do. No, you don't. Yes, Aditya, I do.
Maybe she does.
Shut up! She loves me, she loves me.
Bella, yes, sir.
Do you know what would have happened to a young man like you in my day? You would have been shot.
I would
Shot in that very thick skull of yours.
Leave it, Daddy. Let's go
Don't
home.
be gonna I would have taken my gun out and shot you.
Leave it, Daddy. Let's go home.
Lena, please try to understand.
I comprehend everything very well, Aditya. All this while you were going out with me, she was in the background. Do you see this circle, Adi? This circle is our relationship circle. Are you in it or not?
Actually, I can't see anything. There's no light.
That means you're not in
I
it.
can't see anything. There's no
Yeah,
light.
take your ring. Take your bloody ring back.
क्या कर रही हो तुम?
Daddy,
तुम मुझे क्यों मार रही हो?
Daddy, light me up.
Mera, do you know what would have happened to a young man like you in my day?
Aditya! Kumar! Mera!
Jay?
You villain! You scum, conniving little villain! Have you seen the state of my room? Have you?
No, sir, never did that. Never want to either.
One chair turned upside down. One chair stacked on top of the other. Like a...
Kamari Wala.
Thank you so much. Like a Kawadiwala. I was living opposite a friend, a neighbor. I never knew you could be a petty thief.
Please try to
This is
understand.
my reward, isn't it? Yes, yes. This is my reward. After years of sweeping up after you because you're too much of a slut to do it yourself, to have my best pieces stolen from me, to impress your new girlfriend, and annoying, irritating.
Daddy. Come on. Thank you.
I want my things right now. If not, I'm going to call the police.
Now don't be ridiculous,
Samira,
Jay.
can you hold this, please? Please. I have a very small list. One antique radio, 1964, luxury edition. 3 cushion covers supposedly used by Rani Padmini. And the cushions.
They are inside the cover, sir.
Oh, yes, yes. You indeed are very organized. 1 3rd century Ming Dynasty vase.
Lena, why don't you put this in
And
water?
the flowers. Ah. 1 seating apparatus, hand spun and hand woven, with intricate leather fibers by the villagers of Papua New Guinea.
You mean Mula?
1 seating apparatus, hand spun and hand woven with intricate leather fibers by the villagers of Papua New Guinea.
Still a Mula, sir.
Now that you say it, why not a Buddha? Samira, could you give me the last now, please? Yes, yes.
1 red, exquisite, hand-spun red tablecloth.
By Ritu Kumar.
ये पैंट शर्ट तो तुम्हारी है ना?
Adi, just so many things. Can you please help me take them back? I hope I'm not being too much of a burden on you. Just back to my flat, please. Thank you. Ah! I must learn from you, yes. I think I'm going to have to bang you, Aditya. Yes, bang you.
Bang.
That seems fair. Bang for bang.
I know, bang.
Bang for bang. Bang for bang.
Son. Bang.
Yes, that also.
Yes. I think it's time for him to get shot in the head.
We get shot.
Yes, Daddy, let's get him.
Dare you be civilized, don't join the army.
What?
Oh, Mr. Tomar.
Tomar sab aage.
Tomar.
You made a fool of us.
Yes, he lied. Let's get him.
Yes. But we should be quiet for that.
Yes, quiet. Quiet like a whisper in the wind. Quiet like a waterfall when you see it from 2 kilometers away. Quiet like a vulture and
Quite like silence.
Look behind me and I'll look at your behind.
What?
What happened, Daddy?
I got him. Here.
Yes, Daddy, I think I have a rope. I think I have
Help
a
me.
rope.
Help me. Hey, he's not gonna help. Help me.
Okay,
Yes.
Yes, Daddy.
in front.
Yes.
Yes, Daddy. Here.
Behind you.
Where are you?
Yes, Daddy.
Oh my God! Are you moving with the chair?
Yes,
No, moving! On left. Left. Where are you?
Here. Ah. Here, Daddy.
Look for the chair.
Yes, I'm searching. Oh God.
Ready? Now. Hey, hey, get down! Get down! Like me! My God!
I got his hands, Daddy. Leave him.
Ready, Mera? Cheating on my daughter? मेरा साहब को बहुत दिक्कत होने वाली है।
Who the hell is this?
कौन हो तुम?
राजेश तोमर.
तोमर साहब आ गए?
The team of Black Comedy. Vikas Puri as Aditya Mehra. Vibhuti Chadha as Naina Sethi. Vikas Shastri as Prakash Shastri. Meghna Yadav as Samira. Suraj Upadhyay as Jay Janeja. Dev Khandelwal as Rajesh Tomar. Gauri Chandra as Miss Jacobs. Kabir Ahmed Mansoori as Kamal Sethi. The production team: Dev Khandelwal, Manvi Bhutani, Yuvika Motwani, Talia Balti, Tarunika Sharma, Abhinav Rawat. We'd like to thank Karan Haseem and Priyambar Yadav for helping with the script. Lights, Zorawar Rig. Production heads, Priti Sharma, Ida Sharma. Meghna Yadav, and Kunal Basu.
Our directors Raja Puri and Rupani Singhal.
And we also want to invite Mr. Kuljit Singh on stage, please. He's the curator of Ateliers and we'd like to thank him.
Not only acting, but we also learned how to make your cell phones go off.